Are you tired of losing trades in the market? Try the Pipgems AI Scanner app, which will guide you throughout your trading journey. With at least 70% to 80% ideal trade setups, the AI instantly analyzes market flows, reversals, candlestick behavior, and more. We have traded on the Olymp trading platform. First, we need to choose the 10-second candle time frame. At this point, we have only the zigzag indicator attached to our chart. Next, we go to the Pipgems AI Scanner app and make sure to sync all settings from the Olymp trade platform with the Pipgems AI Scanner app settings. Here, we set the candle type to Heikin Ashi, with a candle time frame of 10 seconds, a target trade duration of 1 minute, a zigzag depth of 10, and a deviation of 5%. Now let's scan the market chart. We use Share AI Scanner, but you can also use phone to scan trading chart on your PC or laptop, or you can also use the Share AI Scanner, with tutorial in the description on how to install and attach it to your system. As we can see, we have a call prediction. Its AI key observation is clear and makes it easy to identify where the trend will go. Let's trade up on this. The zigzag indicator extending its line, and the trend goes up, having a perfect winning trade on that. Let's get another trading chart. Let's continue trading with Euro USD, as this currency performs well in any aspects. We will scan it and upload immediately to the AI scanner. And our AI analysis is that it has put prediction with the confidence of medium. Our key observation based on AI's prediction is that the zigzag suggests the price has reached its peak and likely to go down. And also for the Heikin Ashi candles are showing sign of exhaustion. As we can see, a 50-50 situation here, hoping for the trend to go downtrend. And luckily got winning trade on that. Let's try another currency pair. Let's trade GBP USD and scan for it, then paste it on the Olymp trade chart. Our AI analyzes the market and generates a put signal. The trade goes down, resulting in a perfect trade. Watch the rest of the video, and don't forget to follow us to get the latest trading strategies with Olymp Trade and other trading brokers. We have put AI trading analysis here, and we will trade going down on it. And got good trading result on that. Another down AI trading analysis here, and let's trade on that. Unfortunately, we lose on that trade, but we will upgrade our trading detection. We can also add up another trading indicator, with its two combination distinction. Let's add EMA or exponential moving average. Then let's change the color of zigzag into purple and just retain the EMA to yellow line. This time we will add Pipgems AI charts description the same on the Olymp trade platform. With EMA 20, yellow line and the zigzag for purple line. Let's now scan and upload it. We have call analysis.